The 2025 Yamaha R3 is a bike that perfectly blends style, performance, and practicality, making it a standout in the lightweight sports bike category. From the moment you see it, the aggressive design catches your eye, borrowing cues from Yamaha's larger R-series machines like the R6 and R1. The sharp lines, aerodynamic fairing, and sleek LED headlights give it a bold, modern presence on the road. Underneath its stunning exterior, the R3 is powered by a 321cc liquid-cooled, parallel twin engine. This engine delivers smooth and consistent power, making it an excellent choice for both city commutes and weekend track days. With a top speed of around 180 km per hour, it offers just the right mix of speed and control, while its lightweight frame ensures nimble handling through corners. Yamaha has equipped the 2025 R3 with advanced features to enhance the riding experience. The fully digital LCD instrument cluster provides clear and detailed information, including speed, gear position, and fuel level. For added safety, the bike now includes a dual-channel ABS system, ensuring confident braking on wet or slippery surfaces. One of the most impressive aspects of the R3 is its suspension setup. The front features 37mm kib upside-down forks, offering a smoother and more controlled ride, while the rear monoshock is adjustable, letting riders fine-tune the bike for their specific needs. Whether you're cruising through city streets or tackling twisty mountain roads, the suspension performs exceptionally well. Comfort hasn't been overlooked either. The ergonomic design ensures a balanced riding posture, with clip-on handlebars positioned just right for spirited riding without compromising everyday comfort. The seat height of 780mm makes it accessible for riders of various heights, and the lightweight chassis adds to its ease of maneuverability. Yamaha also focused on fuel efficiency without sacrificing performance. The bike achieves an impressive mileage of around 25 to 30 km/L, making it cost-effective for daily use. Combine this with its 14-liter fuel tank, and the R3 is ready for longer rides without frequent stops. The 2025 model brings several updates, including new color options and refined graphics that add to its appeal. Its overall build quality is top-notch, with premium materials and attention to detail evident throughout. What sets the Yamaha R3 apart from its competitors is its versatility. It's sporty enough for enthusiasts, approachable enough for beginners, and comfortable enough for everyday riders. Yamaha has struck a fine balance, making this bike a strong contender in its segment. In conclusion, the 2025 Yamaha R3 isn't just a bike, it's an experience. It offers a blend of performance, reliability, and style that's hard to beat. Whether you're a seasoned rider or just starting your motorcycling journey, the R3 promises to deliver thrills and smiles every time you take it out.